Perth is one of the planet's most isolated capital cities, but this sun-soaked capital of Western Australia defies its remote location by boldly flaunting its riches, and there are many, both natural and material. A gorgeous setting astride the winding Swan River, with a string of pearly beaches nearby, provides the perfect playground for outdoor adventures. Sailing, swimming, fishing and boating are all popular things to do in Perth, and in the center of the city, beautiful Kings Park brims with natural bushland and panoramic views. Like Melbourne, Perth frequently ranks as one of the world's most livable cities. Despite its sprouting skyscrapers, fueled by a mining boom, the city exudes a refreshingly relaxed vibe, but you'll still find plenty of big city tourist attractions and activities. You can dine at fine restaurants, shop at stylish boutiques, browse art galleries and museums, or see some of the country's top talent at its lively entertainment venues. Not far from the city, idyllic Rottnest Island is a popular day trip from Perth, as is Fremantle, at the mouth of the Swan River. This historic port is the namesake of the famous Fremantle Doctor, a cool sea breeze that blasts the summertime heat from this effervescent city. Now we show you some of the top attraction and best things to do in Perth. Before the starting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. The Bell Tower. The Bell Tower is a prominent landmark located on the banks of the Swan River. It is also known as the Swan Bells, as it houses a set of 18 bells, 12 of which are historic bells that were gifted to Western Australia by the London Diocese as part of Australia's bicentennial celebrations in 1988. The other 6 bells were cast in Western Australia. The Bell Tower was built to house the bells and to serve as a tourist attraction. It stands at 82.5 meters tall and is one of the largest musical instruments in the world. Visitors can take guided tours of the Bell Tower to learn about the history of the bells and see them in action. Number 2. Elizabeth Quay. Wondering about things to do in Perth's CBD? Add a visit to Elizabeth Quay to your sightseeing itinerary. Adjacent to the city center and the Swan River, this new waterfront pedestrian precinct is a hot spot for Perth nightlife. If you're hungry, you can dine on everything from gourmet burgers and pizza to succulent seafood specialities. Live music adds to the convivial vibe. Elizabeth Quay is also a romantic spot to stroll along the water. Outdoor sculptures and art installations adorn the public art walk, and you'll also find the rocket-shaped bell tower here. Beautiful views of the city skyline and the ferry boats plowing the Swan River also greet you along the way. Looking for a place to stay in Perth? Elizabeth Quay makes a good base. Number 3. Rottnest Island. Rottnest Island is a popular holiday destination located in Western Australia, around 19 kilometers away from the Perth coastline. It is believed that the island was created as an aftermath of sea level changes. The place has become famous over the years for its pleasant weather, finest soft sand beaches, picturesque scenery, and the salt lakes, and this is one of the best places in Perth. The salt lakes are an integral part of Rottnest Island, and you would find a number of permanent lakes along with surrounding beaches. Pink Lake, Lake Negri, and the Twin Pierce Lakes, which become dry and appear similar to salt flats in summer, are some of the must-visit lakes here. Number 4. City Beach. The suburb of City Beach itself is a residential area with a mix of houses and apartments. It has a laid-back, beachside atmosphere and is known for its relaxed, family-friendly vibe. There are several restaurants, cafes, and shops in the area, as well as several parks and playgrounds for kids to enjoy. There's also a golf course and a number of sporting clubs, making it a great place for sports enthusiasts. Number 5. Swan River. Perth's favorite playground. The Swan River is a stunning waterway which winds its way from the Darling Scarp to Fremantle. This natural attraction is a popular location for Perth locals and visitors to enjoy a day out boating, fishing, skiing, paddling, swimming, picnicking, or simply enjoying its vista. Rich in environmental and cultural values, the Swan River was named Derbyl Yerrigan by the local Aboriginals who believe that the river was created by the rainbow serpent Woggle, a dreamtime spirit taking the form of a giant snake. It is believed that the Woggle created creeks, waterholes, lakes and valleys on its journey to the ocean. Number 6. Kings Park and Botanic Garden. Spread across a huge area of 990 acres, The popular Kings Park and Botanic Garden is a magnificent city garden lined by war memorials, and this is one of the best places to visit in Perth. This massive garden is home to umpteen varieties of Australian birds and flora, and many other interesting sights in the city. Overlooking Swan River Canning, this spellbinding park offers its visitors the opportunity to catch spectacular glimpses of the Darling Ranges, Perth water, and the skyline of the city. Number 7. State War Memorial. Located within Kings Park, the State War Memorial commemorates all the Australian servicemen and women from the state who lost their lives serving their country. Looking out over the Swan River, its commanding cenotaph was first unveiled after the First World War. Since then, a crypt, roll of honor, and glass cases exhibiting the colors of fallen battalions have been added to the precinct. Its serene setting makes it a peaceful and poignant place to visit, and each year, thousands of people attend its moving Anzac Day dawn service. Number 8. Cotslow Beach. While beautiful beaches litter Perth's Indian Ocean coastline, Cotslow is perhaps the most famous and popular of them all. Bordered by a lovely oceanway that separates its fine sands from the Cotslow suburb of Perth behind it, the beach is one of the best places to go swimming in the region. Snorkeling and surfing are also popular pastimes. With lots of cafes, bars, and restaurants lining the beach, there is lots for you to do if you should ever get bored of lounging on the sand and gazing out over the ocean. As it faces westwards, Cotslow Beach is also blessed with one of the most stunning sunsets imaginable. So it is well worth waiting until evening before heading back to the city center. Number 9. Perth Zoo. About 3 kilometers from the city center, Perth Zoo has been delighting animal lovers since 1898. International visitors can experience some of the country's unique wildlife in the Australian bushwalk and wetlands exhibits. All the favorites are here: kangaroos, koalas, wallabies, wombats, and Tasmanian devils. Other exhibits take you around the world to different ecosystems. Feed giraffes at the African savanna, ogle orangutans in the Asian rainforest, enjoy an elephant show, or peer at a pygmy marmoset in the South American primate exhibit. Number 10. Aquarium of Western Australia. Boasting the longest underwater tunnel in Australia, which stretches for a staggering 98 meters, the Aquarium of Western Australia promises to be a fun-filled day out for all the family. Watching sharks, stingrays, turtles, and fish swim above you is a magical experience and is just one of the aquarium's many attractions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.